everybody, it's Jeffrey here from Tom Wood. Climb on in on this 8-degree day and let me tell you how I'm staying warm in here. So we do have this custom built CFMoto with a full cabin closure with the hard doors with power windows, front and rear on the power windows themselves. We do have the Moose heating along with the defrost for the window that you can turn around. It also does have a full windshield wiper to keep the moisture off the windshield with the windshield washer sprayer. This was all built in-house here with accessories from people that we can order from, along with the KFI open trail full plow out front that we can control up and down with based off the winch and the system. So again, this is all stuff that we can do here at Tom Wood Powersports. Come to see us and we'll get you taken care of. Thank you.